Hi guys, in this class we will discuss another PHP problem. This is a PHP problem to get a toString from user to concatenate both. For example, you can get any string from user, for example, first name and last name, and then display full name to user. So this is a concatenation of string in PHP. Just say this file in a same folder. You can see that PHP problems. Inside there is a folder chapter number 4 and problem number is 5. So these are the problem related to chapter number 4. So different topic we have discussed in this chapter about string. So this is a concatenating string related topic. So problem is also same, in which we will create a program in PHP using HTML form. We get toString from user to concatenate both string display to user final result. So HTML basic structure I want to get. This is chapter number 4, problem number 5. Now using form I want to write a method will be a get method, and then I have to get two string from user, text base, and name attribute value will be, for example, st1 str1, and then I want to get a line break, and then str2, and then there is a input submit button. Its name attribute value will be sub. Now this will be a br tag. Using PHP I want to concatenate both. So I want to say that if button is set, if this button is set, sub button is set active, what I have to do, I have to get their value, input field value. So using name attribute value I can access or get value that is entered by user in input field, store in a variable str1, and then getting another string that will be str2. So string 2, this is a name attribute value. After getting both value from user, just for testing purpose whether it is displaying or not, echo str2, and then just remove this one. This will be a problem number 5 right here, and string, for example, person Zamir submit, as Zamir is displaying here. So I have to concatenate now. So this is a, for example, there are different methods you can concatenate in PHP. Most of the time we use a dot symbol. So echo your first string is, or I want to say that your first name is this is the method to concatenate. So this is actually string, this is another string. You can concatenate string, not concatenate number. So actually concatenation is related to any string type of data. We can concatenate two string. So this is string, this is another string. So concatenation means adding two string to each other. So this dot symbol is used to concatenate two string into one. So this is actually example of concatenation. But in problem statement, what I have to do, I have to get string from user, and then I have to concatenate both string. So string number 1, string number 2. After getting both string from user, and then I will apply concatenation. Number 1 string, number 2 string. So your last name, for example, I want to get from user, your last name is this one, that is taken from second field. I can also use a placeholder, for example, first name, and then what I have to do, This will be a last name. That will be a last name. So what I have to do next? Echo and use a line break. Just refresh this one. You will see that chapter number 5, job free. Sorry, Asshole Amir. Your first name is Faisal, last name is Amir. Now I want to display another thing. Now on this line I want to can candidate both string. So I want to say that your full name is string 1 dot string 2. So this is a method of concatenating both string that is taken from user. And one thing I will show you. Your full name is Faisal. String 2. Just refresh this one. Now it is perfect. So this is a problem solution for the problem number 5 of chapter number 4. You can get more exercises to improve your PHP programming skill. If you have any confusion, any problem while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.